The report has now shown that journalist Gatonye Gathura died of strangulation using a belt and a laptop charger cable. The autopsy was conducted today, as Willie Dennis Njiru now reports from Naivasha.
After a postponement of a slated autopsy of the late veteran journalist Gatonye Gathura's body, which was located after a fingerprint finding last week, finally, the procedure was conducted Monday evening at the Naivasha Sub-County Hospital mortuary.
Some trauma on the back of the neck shows that there was sort of a strangle. So there was trauma on the back of the neck, probably when it was strangling, when the ligature was applied.
We only hope that some level of, as usual, some investigations will be done and we'll get justice for him, because of course it's cruel.
The findings from the Nakuru County-based pathologist Dr. Titus Ngulungu, affirming that a belt and a laptop charger cable was used to strangulate Gatonye Gathura to death.
And the findings were very simple. Alikufa kwa sababu ya kunyongwa. Hiyo tu, hakuna kitu kingine. Na amenyongwa na belt na waya ya kucharge computer. So it was applied on the neck, and then there was pressure on the neck, which prevented him from breathing. And that is how he died.
It's cruel for sure, because if you look at the cable that was used, the laptop cable that was used, and the belt, because those were the things that were used to in killing him, you can really see that he really struggled. There was a struggle with him.
Gatonye's body was discovered at the KWS grounds at the Kehoto Estate, Naivasha, with a belt firmly on his neck by a group of persons who had visited the area for evening prayers.
We have no indication as a family why, because we have no, so that's something that I think that why we have the investigators to try and establish why. But for sure we have no suspicious reasons why.
The body of the deceased was later moved to the Tigoni Hospital mortuary in Kiambu County ahead of his burial scheduled for Thursday.
We are moving the body here to Tigoni. This is more or less related to proximity. Tigoni is closer to where we want to bury him. So, and therefore that is why we want to move it from here. That's the main reason. Yeah. We want to bury him on Thursday. That's our plan. If all goes as planned, that's our plan.
Reporting for TV 47 from Naivasha in Nakuru County, I'm Willie Dennis Njiru.